Why can't you take a video of this?
When you dance, I will.
Can you watch me do TikTok on the clock?
Yeah, I'll watch you do it too.
Jalen,
Let her go. She's concentrating. Leave her go. Shh.
when you're done that, I'm going to do TikTok on the clock. Too. You know that?